Number 1. Bananas. Time for a banana shake or a banana smoothie. Banana breads are the best. Bananas can turn your frown upside down. But how? They're loaded with vitamin B6. B6 plays an important role in synthesizing mood-boosting hormones like serotonin and dopamine. Bananas are also rich in fiber and sugar. Because of the fiber, the sugar is released slowly, and you experience a better mood throughout the day. But is that all? Nope. This wonderful fruit also has prebiotics. Banana that still has green on the peel is rich in prebiotics. It's a type of fiber that helps feed healthy bacteria in your gut. Having healthy gut bacteria reduces your chances of developing a mood disorder. Do you like eating bananas? What's your favorite way to eat them? Oats. Do you love oats? Maybe you'll love them even more after you know how awesome they are for your physical and emotional health. This whole grain has the power to not just keep you physically fit and in shape, it can also keep you in good spirits all day. Just opt for a wholesome oats breakfast. It can be oatmeal, oats bread, or oat pancakes. Granola bars aren't bad either. Is that why so many nutritionists keep recommending oats for a healthy breakfast? But what makes oats so great? First of all, oats are an excellent source of fiber. Just a single raw cup gives you 8 grams. Fiber slows your digestion of carbs, which means the release of glucose into your bloodstream will be gradual. Your energy levels will be stable. Having stable energy levels means a stable mood as well. A study found that people who ate 1.5 to 6 grams of fiber at breakfast experienced better energy levels and mood throughout the day. This is all thanks to stable glucose, which helps control your mood and irritability. Not just fiber, but oats are also good because of the high amount of iron they offer. Anemia caused by iron deficiency includes symptoms of mood disorder, sluggishness, and fatigue.